A second PNP activist has been killed in less than a week.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Another People's National Party activist was shot dead on Tuesday night, December 17th in Clarendon. The deceased has been identified as 63-year-old businessman Franklyn Paisley, otherwise called Lucky or Pipe. Police report that about 7:15 p.m., Paisley was entering his vehicle at his Bullard's Yorktown home in the parish when he was pounced upon by gunmen and shot multiple times. The police were summoned and Paisley was transported to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The killing has rocked the Yorktown community, where Paisley was said to be an influential figure. Paisley is the second person associated with the People's National Party to have been killed in less than a week, following the murder of 44-year-old Kevin Brown, a resident of McIntyre Villa. Brown was an employee of the Ministry of Energy and a Justice of the Peace. He was also a founding member of the PNP Patriots, the young professional arm of the party. The police suspect that the information technology professional was stabbed multiple times while inside his car along Chesterfield Drive on Wednesday, the 11th of December.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.